Myntri Rangbah Jilla Konrad ke sangma ke Khanduli tere Jymmang ulong banda kapor sakapor ujekran berkasam halor kaman kebaide kujenge kaja kapun. Ya kani ulakran hadian bagalami kujenge ki hapring ki arjat benriau ke belajia ke Shnong Khanduli ha West Janta Hills District halor ke jingkhang lat pensarung hayo Khanduli hakini kita yo beladam. Kinong Shnong kila persya ke jingwan bu tol gate da kinong tere ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council hakini ke jaka.
We are going to meet in the couple of weeks, definitely before the month end. We have also decided together that a joint visit will be made, especially to these sensitive zones, to build up the confidence of the people and also to ensure that we ask our respective administrations and our respective citizens and respective areas and officials concerned to restrain from any kind of action that could lead to situations getting tense. So we will be making a joint visit to these locations. Not all, but to certain locations.
Habakado bakajing kajahi jaka haput kiladan nadu kisan pos na menchua ukon rasang maulong bakadaw bakadan kujing kram penbet yuput kanang mikini kijing kajah kinom jashu hadien.
What we need to understand is that the reason the border talks are going on is precisely so that these kind of incidents don't. You have to understand that that is exactly what the objective is. Today, these kind of incidents are happening because there is areas of differences. So we realize that it is even more important for us to now try and find a solution at the earliest so that none of these kind of incidents happen in the future.
Laban kedau busumbut Myntri Rangbah Jilla bukmiru ika urban affairs ubasnya bhalang dhar ula jingmu banthano da peace committee khaman wanra ke song suk song sngan Shnong Khanduli West Janta Hills District.